Indian troops, in their fresh act of state terrorism, martyred one Kashmiri youth in the Shopian district today. According to Kashmir Media Service, the troops martyred the youth, identified as Martyr, during a cordon and search operation in Kathohalan area of the district. The operation continued till last reports came in. Indian forces personnel have arrested several people during house raids in occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, Indian Army, paramilitary and police personnel, as well as the sleuths of the dreaded National Investigation Agency and State Investigation Agency during cordon and search operations and house raids, arrested around a dozen youth in Srinagar, Islamabad, Pulwama, Shopian and Jammu district. November 9th is the black day for Junagadh, as it was on this day in 1947 when India landed their troops and forcibly occupied the Muslim-ruled state in sheer violation of the international law. An analytical report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service in connection with the fateful day said India illegally occupied the Junagadh state through an act of brazen aggression and continues to occupy it even after the passage of 76 years. All parties Hurriyat Conference has termed the prevailing situation in occupied Kashmir as highly precarious with regard to the safety of the common masses. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC spokesman in a statement issued in Srinagar said the people are in distress due to unending cordon and search operations and house raids. Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party, a constituent of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, has expressed serious concern over the surge in Indian state terrorism in occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, the DFP, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said the Indian forces personnel have turned the occupied Kashmir into a slaughterhouse where they are killing innocent and educated youth in fake encounters. Pakistan caretaker Prime Minister Anwarul Haq Kakar and President of Azerbaijan Ilhan Aliyev, in a meeting today, discussed the bilateral cooperation and regional issues including the humanitarian situation in Gaza and Indian atrocities in the occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, the meeting took place on the sidelines of the 16th Summit of Economic Cooperation Organization in Uzbekistan.